Working with GIS routing data and discovered an OMD file. These are routing data files from MapInfo Professional software used in spatial analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these MapInfo Routing J Server data files. Here's a professional insight. For those OMD files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. MD files are routing data files used by MapInfo Routing J Server, a network analysis component of MapInfo Professional GIS software. They contain road network data routing parameters and spatial analysis configurations used for shortest path calculations, service area analysis, and logistics optimization in GIS applications.
Files use MapInfo's proprietary format, storing road network topology with node coordinates,
edge connections, turn restrictions, speed limits, and routing attributes. The structure includes spatial reference information network metadata and routing engine parameters following MapInfo's documented routing data specification. The OMD proprietary design mandates association with MapInfo Professional from Pitney Bowes. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows cannot display these formats meaningfully, so GIS tools are needed. To force access, right-click your OMD file and select Open With. If MapInfo Professional is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your OMD file will not open, do not worry. The highly specific nature of the OMD file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, opening in MapInfo Professional. Launch Pitney Bowes MapInfo Professional and open the OMD file through the Routing Analysis interface. The software loads the network data, enabling shortest path calculations, service area analysis, and other routing operations on the loaded road network for transportation and logistics analysis. Next, using Routing J Server. Configure MapInfo Routing J Server with the OMD data file to provide routing services to client applications. The server processes routing requests against the network data, returning calculated routes and analysis results to applications integrated with MapInfo's routing infrastructure. Finally, migrating to modern GIS. For ongoing GIS routing work, consider migrating to current platforms like ArcGIS Network, Analyst QGIS with PGR routing, or specialized routing services. These modern tools provide active development cloud-based options and integration with current data sources for transportation and logistics analysis workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.